Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize expense categorization in FreshBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize expense categorization in FreshBooks, start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Once logged in, navigate to the expenses section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of your recorded expenses. Select an expense that you want to categorize or authorize. After clicking on the expense, you will be directed to its details page. Look for the category drop-down menu in the expense details. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of available categories. If you see the suitable category, simply select it. If you need to create a new category, click on the Add New Category option. Enter a name for your new category in the provided field. Once you've entered the name, click Save to add the new category. After selecting or creating the category, review the details of the expense. Ensure all information is accurate before moving on. When you are satisfied with the details, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will authorize the categorization for that specific expense. To categorize additional expenses, repeat the process as needed. Finally, review your categorized expenses regularly for accurate record keeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.